What's up, guys? So I'm going to show how I made this. Let's get into it. So I started with modeling the keyboard. It wasn't that difficult. In fact, it was more of a breeze. After this, I went into the screwdriver, which was also pretty easy. I used a rigid body simulation for fun. Then I made the computer monitor. Make sure to like and subscribe. I added in the gears and I modeled the Nintendo Game Boy. I used a sky texture for lighting and also added in a god ray. I put in my robot that I made about 2 years ago and then rendered it.